Hello? Ring, ring, ring.
Hello guys, how are you? I'm not available. Come back again to our channel عالم الإنترنت. Today we will continue talk about the AI or artificial intelligence and how to sign up and open account. Before you start, if you are not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe here. If you want to join, also you can join here to our channel and press all to continue to see the all new about the channel, all video. Inshallah. Start. First things, we will go to Google or Google Chrome and write in a search open AI, as you see in a search, in AI or open GPT. As you see, and press introduce the introducing the ChatGPT, as you see here. Press. After that, go try GPT or try ChatGPT. Press into it and wait a minute to load the package. As you see now, we will press to sign up. If you are new, press here. We can continue to write your email. Okay, an email. I will show my email here and continue. Write a password. You can write any password you want. As you see, this is like example. And wait a minute to open platform. Variate your email. You will go to email and variate your email here. Wait a minute to reload the package. Now you can write the first name, not flash available. Last name, anything's nt.net. Here your birthday. I will like to not April to November 25 1998 and continue. After that, your number to variation, your account. Wait a minute to variate. Okay, as you see here, fast. Okay, now open the GPT normal. As you see, conversations and anything. I will try. Hello, chat GPT. generate a response, something wrong in tissue pretext or generating them. There was hello ChatGPT. Submit and again, I will try again. Say me, okay, new chat, no problem. Limited knowledge, because this is not premium. We can try again. Hello. Okay, limited knowledge. Upgrade, you can upgrade it. Okay, go setting, dark mode, not dark mode. I think he need the premium. Alright. Something wrong. If you are tissue press, please contact through our help. Don't know why. I think it is he need premium. If you're in open, if you're in main account not open, I will try another. You can follow me again. Right in Google. Poe, POE, sorry, .com. See again. Yeah, this Saja. I make account already. I will log in out, and I will try and I will show you how to. As you see, when you open the website, we will open like this, and we'll sign in to number. You can press your number or your email or anything. I will press my number. If you can try by number, if you can try by anything, no problem. By email or by anything, so you try by number. And wait a minute to see variation number. Okay. You can add it also your email. Wait a minute. Code also again to pirate your email. We go to email. Wait a minute. Send again. Okay, now come. This is a code. I think him. Yeah. Press. I'm finished now, as you see. Hello. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Now in Puyo or in Sage Puyo, as you see, this is Sage, sorry. I will try the ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, hello. Hello, how are you? As you see, it's responds normally in Poyo.com as an artificial intelligence language model. How many pupil in the world. This is the result. As of 2020, the estimated global population is around 7.9 billion people. This is a result in GPT. As a result, I will see in Sage also. Wait a minute. Same questions. Yeah, in Sage also same result as you see. Good. We will see in the premium. This is now, I tell you, this is GPT-4. This is premium. When you in the main website of OpenAI, it's premium. You can pay, but here I will show you to you. It is very what? Sorry, it is very free. As you see here, this is the perfect. This is the perfect answer at the last. My knowledge in the September 2021, the global population was estimated to be around 7.8. This is the perfect answer. We will see people. However, since it's now April to 2023, the population has lucky increased to get the most accurate and up-to-date populations figures. I would like to recommend rebuild source like the World Bank. Very nice of the GPT-4. I will try to cloudy also. Not cloudy, and try the same questions. As you see, have different in cloudy till like 7.7 billion in cloud instant. Try also. You want to see the number in cloud instant. It does not reply, and in the dragonfly, try the same question. According to Mist, also dragonfly is perfect. 7.8 billion people in the world, and this is the perfect answer in GPT-4 and in dragonfly. Okay, I will ask him about the our channel. Wait a minute. Okay, you reach daily message limited of the GPT-4. You can try to be able to send message. Yeah. In the GPT-4 have a limit. As you see, you can try again after 18 hour. No problem. But this is GPT-4. It's the perfect answer. Does not like the GPT normal and the GPT normal this because this is free, and GPT-4 it is premium, but you can also write after 18 hour, no problem, and we can try. As you see, this is how to sign up in OpenAI and to use the GPT before you end. Thank you all for watching, and press a like and comment if you like the video. Bye bye.